What's up, Team Lethal fans, as well as my Bronco 6G friends? Hope you're doing well. So right behind me is a Lethal Performance 4-door first edition in lightning blue. I just got notification from the warehouse. We got a package in from our good friends over at MRT. MRT reached out to us. They said, hey, want to send you some products. Have you guys review it? Have you guys installed it on the Bronco? So I was like, hey, send it on over. So they sent us their trail-rated catback exhaust with 3.5-inch black tip, as well as the turn-down version and the no-drill hood strut kit to get rid of that, stupid hood prop that holds your factory hood up. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna head over to the office, open the box up, show you guys what everything looks like, and then tomorrow we're gonna get going on the install and let you follow along on the whole process. So here we are, the goodies from MRT. First off, I'm gonna go over the hood strut kit. It's very simple. Right there, just a couple of brackets, and they're hood struts, real nice product. They pride themselves on the no drill design. And then we've got the MRT trail rated axle back kit for the 21 and up Bronco. They sent us two different versions, one of them with the 3.5-inch black ops tip, which has that nice black coating to it, and we've also got the turn down version. So they sent us both versions of it so we can show you guys how it sounds and give you a review on it. Now, all this stuff is made right here in the United States by MRT, T304 stainless steel, real nice welds to it, put together very nice, and it's supposed to fit like a glove. Now this kit doesn't take much to install. You're actually just going to remove your factory muffler with that clamp that's there to the mid-pipe, and then remove it, and then you're going to clamp the MRT midsection over to that factory connection using the factory clamp. Then the both tips over here will install using the clamp that they provide. So it should be a pretty straightforward installation. Now, I'm really looking forward to it. Like I mentioned before, the Bronco is gorgeous. It's awesome in every way. The only thing that really bothers me is you don't really hear anything. It's very, very quiet. And for some, hey, you may like it. I'm used to having muscle cars and everything else that have sound to them, and I'm looking forward to hearing a different sound from that Bronco. I want it to wake up, be alive, and make some noise, Bronco style. So we'll get going on the install tomorrow and show you guys how we do it. Master!
What is wrong with you?
Right?
It's good. It's good.
What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in a house over at WBA Performance. Today we're installing the new MRT no drill hood strut kit on our 2021 Bronco. What does it do? Well, it makes lifting and lowering your hood much easier as well. It gets rid of that stupid hood prop right there, which ruins all of your awesome pictures of your Bronco. So the kit includes 6 simple pieces. We got 2 hood struts, 4 mounting brackets, which are going to install using factory mounting locations. We're going to go ahead and show you where everything goes on the truck. Let's do it! Ah! All right, we're on the driver's side of your Bronco. It's very easy, guys. We got 2 different brackets, one of which will go right here, removing the 2 nuts, slide the bracket over the studs, then the nuts back onto it. You want to make sure that the ball is tucked towards the engine. You've also got this other bracket labeled L. That is your driver's side. That will be installed over here. There is a bolt, really hard to see here. You want to loosen up. Then you're going to slide this bracket over the threads of that bolt, tighten it back up, and then we'll install the strut onto the balls. Now that we've got the brackets installed, it's time to put the struts on the balls.
Struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls.
Struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls. Very easy, look at that. Give me a little lift, please. There we go, line that up a little more. Thank you. There you have it, struts on the balls. Well, believe it or not, we're on to the passenger side of the Bronco, installing the 2 simple brackets using the existing mounting points, just like we did on the driver's side. We're going to install this bracket right up here on the hood, ball facing the engine, and then this one that says R for the right side of the vehicle facing the fender well. We're going to loosen that bolt right there, slide that down into the threaded point, tighten it up, and then install the strut onto the balls. All right, guys, last step, and since it is the holidays, I'm in a festive mood, let's make sure to put the strut on the balls.
Struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls, struts on the balls.
Wonderful job. Can I get the hood lifted up a little more, please? There we go. Boom! Just like that. We're done. All right, I forgot. There's one more step. Let's get rid of the hood prop. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. You're out of here. Nice, man. And there you have it, guys. The hood stays up by itself, raises and lowers much easier, and the hood prop is gone. Thank you, MRT, the no drill hood strut for the 2021 Bronco, available here at lethalperformance.com.